Hello friend, this is Nobuko. If you're visiting Tokyo, you probably want to go to Kabukicho at some point. But Shinjuku Station is the busiest station in the world, so it can feel a bit overwhelming. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get from Shinjuku Station to Kabukicho. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started from here. This is Shinjuku Station, the east exit. If you want a full guide to Shinjuku Station, I've made another video, so feel free to check the link in the description. First, once you exit from the east exit, just walk straight towards in the intersection. As you can see, it's quite crowded. This is pretty typical for this area. There are a few different routes to Kabukicho that Google Maps might suggest, but walking from the east exit of Shinjuku Station is the best option. It's simple and you can easily cover other popular spots along the way. At this intersection, you'll spot the famous 3D cat billboard. It's right in front of the station, so you won't miss it. Make sure to take a quick video so you don't miss it. If you try to turn off somewhere here, you might get lost, so just keep walking straight. Soon, you'll reach a much bigger street. Just go straight. It's around 5:40 p.m. now, just before sunset, and the atmosphere changes quite a bit between daytime and nighttime. And just across this wide street is Kabukicho. See, it's pretty simple. Right ahead, you can see the Godzilla head in the distance. And on your right is Don Quixote, right at the entrance to Godzilla Road. Now, let's cross the street. It's a bit wide, but very easy to cross. This is Godzilla Road. It's mostly a pedestrian zone, so cars don't usually come through. You can walk right down the middle. There's something interesting right under the Godzilla head that most people don't even notice, so let's go take a look. Let's walk a bit closer to the Godzilla head. The atmosphere here feels completely different at night. When visiting a place like this, people tend to look up. But here, there's actually something worth seeing on the ground. So, let's take a look down right under the Godzilla head. What you'll find here is a special manhole cover featuring a Godzilla design. In Japan, you can often find manhole covers decorated with anime characters and other unique designs. There's another version of the Godzilla manhole cover. Let's head over to the right side of the building and take a look. This one is a bit harder to spot, so it might be easy to miss. But it's only about 2 or 3 meters from the first one, so try looking around nearby. So, that's how you get to Kabukicho from Shinjuku Station. Simple, right? If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and leave a hype in the comment. See you in the next video. またね